Hello everybody and welcome to this informative tutorial. Today we're looking at importing textures and 2D layers to elevate your GeoVisual projects, for example adding street markings or incorporating 2D data from your geo information system. Before diving in, ensure you've seen our Plan Import tutorial, as 2D layers expand upon that concept. To begin, open the layer system using the sidebar. All your plans are displayed at the top. Let's add 2D layers. Though our object library offers street marking objects, it's more time efficient to import a single file with all markings. Considering the import size limits, we have segmented our large street markings file into smaller tiles. You can use your GIS or any image editing software for this segmentation. Ensure your street markings stand out with a clear or alpha background. A pro tip: aim for file sizes in powers of 2 for optimized performance. Currently, we support JPEG, PNG, and TIFF formats. Once selected, click Import. Your 2D layer now appears under Plannings and is also visible in the viewport. Refer to our Plan Import tutorial for the best positioning workflow. Inside the layer system, you can toggle layer visibility, edit, duplicate, delete, and rename your layer. Beyond street markings, you can bring in other elements. We're showcasing an imported noise simulation as an example. By default, the 2D layer is projected over all elements. You can adjust the projection mode to only project onto the landscape, placing the 2D layer beneath 3D objects. Feel free to switch between modes as needed. If you need a semi-transparent 2D layer, adjust its opacity using image editing software. Move your 2D layers by dragging them up or down the hierarchy in your layer browser. Incorporate any 2D layers. With GeoVisual, the sky's the limit. See you again soon, and happy visualizing.